How to add coupon codes on Temu. Hey guys, welcome back. So if you want to add a coupon code on Temu, simply open up the Temu application in your phone. Once you've opened up the Temu application, click on U, and then once you click on the U section on the bottom, you're going to click on coupons and offers. Now, once you click on coupons and offers, enter your coupon code over here. And if you have copied your coupon code, you can just do a long press, and then you will have the option to paste it over here. So whatever your coupon is, we're going to enter it over here. And then once you have added your code, click on apply. Now, if your coupon code is valid, it will go into the applied section. It will be applied on your cart or on your specific product. And in this way, you can start using coupons on Temu. And once you have used a coupon, it will show up in your used section. And if you have a coupon that you didn't use, it will show up in your expired section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.